how to use or how to redeem Chipotle gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily log in and redeem your Chipotle gift card online. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. What you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to head into chipotle.com. You can either head into chipotle.com or www.chipotle.com. It's the same, so you can type in either ways and then you'll be headed to this page. Now here what you want to do first is you want to log into your account. In order to log in, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon that you can see here on the screen, and then here you can see create an account or sign in option. Simply tap on sign in and now you want to sign into your account. Now once you're signed in, unfortunately I'm unable to sign in here, but once you're signed in, you want to head into the payment methods option. You'll get an option to add in your payment methods, right? So once you on the payment methods, you want to select the option that says, you'll find the option add a gift card under the payment methods. So remember, first you want to log into your account or sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to tap on your profile name. There you'll get on the page on their profile, you want to head into payment methods section. There you'll get two different options, that is add a card or add a gift card. You want to tap on add a gift card and there you'll be able to redeem your card once you enter in your card details. So this way you can use your Chipotle gift card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.